again. In this video, we'll cover Design Space font styles, like regular, bold, italic, bold italic, which, sure, you probably know well. But Design Space also has a very cool style called writing. Those familiar styles, like bold and italic, are designed to be cut, meaning the Cricut machine will use a blade to cut the outer line of each character. The writing style, on the other hand, doesn't cut letters, but instead draws them. In other words, using the writing style instructs the Cricut machine to use a pen tool rather than a blade, so your font looks like actual handwriting. It's really amazing. The font I'm using here is Cricut Sans, and the style I've selected is regular. This means that the Cricut machine is set to cut this font. Okay, let's try italic as the next style. Notice, no change, this text will still be cut. Now let's select writing as the style. The font now looks like a single line. This will now be written or drawn by the Cricut machine instead of being cut. It's worth pointing out now that not all fonts include a writing style, so keep that in mind as you're envisioning your next project and considering which fonts to use. In later videos, we'll talk about how to attach writing to your project design elements so that the Cricut machine writes your sentiment on a tag, card, or envelope, and then cuts it out. So much more to look forward to.